dapat, yung ating conduct, yung ating the way we live, the way we behave, talaga nagre-reflect nung ating pinaniniwalaan at tinuturo. Tama ba? Remember those who led you, who spoke the word of God to you, and concerning the result of their conduct, imitate their faith. Kasi sa maraming tao ngayon, they know the faith, but they don't know how to experience it in a practical way. Tingnan nyo, marami naniniwala God provides. Pero pagka wala ng pera, ano unang naiisip? Hindi ang lumapit sa Diyos, ang lumapit sa uutangan. Nandadaya sila because they never understood how to walk with God in a practical way. In any relationship, alam nila that I need to submit to my husband. Pero hindi nila alam paano. Ang alam nila, sasabit ako pag gusto ko. Pag ayaw ko, bahala ka. Parang ganun ang sinasabi. May ganun ba sinabi si God? Wala. You have to trust the Lord. Lord, totoo ba ito? Sinasabi mo, then trust me. Believe that I am still in control. Diyan ang matinding challenge.